The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. So I would say over the last couple months or so, I'm not sure how long this video's been out, but over the last little while, I've been getting messages from friends, family, people that have been following me on social media, sending me this video. I think it originated on TikTok, of this guy playing this lawn mowing simulating game on the Xbox, and it's a video from his wife or his girlfriend's. I think it's his wife, but she's filming him playing this game, and she just doesn't get it, which is hilarious. And people send this to me, "You've seen this? This is so funny. You should get this game." And I'm like, I have this game. Have you guys seen this game, the lawn mowing simulator game? It's available on Xbox or Microsoft on the PC. I have an Xbox. I've been playing this game. It's keeping me pretty well sane as far as scratching the itch, and it's fun. It's exactly what you would expect it would be. It's a simulator. And it's pretty realistic. In fact, it's so realistic, I wouldn't recommend playing it during the actual lawn season, because with as much time as you'd be spending playing this game and mowing these fake lawns, you could go buy a lawnmower and get some yards to mow and actually make real money doing it. It's very realistic. The whole premise behind the game is that you are starting a lawn mowing company from scratch. And you start with one riding mower. You get to choose from, I think, 3 different riding mowers. One that bags, one that side discharges, and one that mulches. And you get to pick your company logo and your company name, and you get to pick your characters' features and characteristics, and you pick up contracts to go mow people's lawns. I think it's set in the old British area. I can't remember, but over in Europe somewhere. But that's the whole premise of the game. You pick up contracts to go mow lawns, and it tells you how long you should take to mow the lawn, what the height of cut should be for the lawn, etc. And you go and fulfill that contract, and as long as you don't miss any spots or don't mow over any flowers or anything or break anything, you make money. And you build up more contracts, and then you actually build up a crew, and you have a crew that's running out on all these jobs, and it's basically running a business, a lawn mowing business. It's pretty cool. And it goes into the details of actually getting out of your truck, walking up to the lawnmower, getting on the lawnmower, turning the lawnmower on, adjusting the throttle, lifting up the blades, putting the blades down, engaging the blades. And then you have to control your speed as you go, and you kind of have to get a feel for how the mower actually drives. And after you're done mowing, you can go drive your mower back up on your trailer, park it, turn it off, go pick up your string trimmer, and go trim around the edges and clean things up. Very much what you would expect from a lawn mowing simulator. It's pretty fun, and it's definitely something to do and to kill time. And I have a great time playing it. I think it's really fun, and it's really funny when people send it to me and I get to tell them, yeah, I know, I play that. I think it's fun. I already have it. And of course, people that really know me are not surprised. But if you have an Xbox or a PC and you're looking for something to do and you like doing that, that's a good one. Highly recommend. If you just have a phone and you're looking for something to do, there's an app that you can get from the App Store. I'm not sure if it's on Google or not. It is on iOS. Let me check. I'll check Google here in a second. That's one of the... Oh, this battery's dead. Like I said, the app is called It's Literally Just Mowing. That's exactly what it's called. And it's a little bit simpler format. you basically just, it takes you from yard to yard, and you're just swiping in the direction you want the little character to go. It's all cartoon based, and you just clean up the areas and clean up the yards, and you can win prizes and upgrades and things like that. It's really fun. It's definitely fun to do while you're wanting to kill time, and you only have access to your phone. It's very simple, very easy, and it's free to play. So that's pretty fun. And like I said, it's something to do during the winter months when I don't have any grass to mow regularly, but I want to kind of just play around with that. It's great. But yeah, that's the lawn mowing simulator game. If you want to send me that video that you find on Instagram or on TikTok, just know I've seen it plenty of times. I have the game. It's a lot of fun.